Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ad, Bing Ad certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, sorry for this. What do you think about my CTR? Is it good? So let me see your CTR. Okay, so this is you got 3 clicks, 2 impressions, CTR 150%, and status search limited by bit strategy. Okay, I can see from the data that you are newbie to Google Ads, and whenever people see something like 150%, they feel very happy and proud. Yeah, I'm getting very good. But believe me, this is happening very wrong. So it means that 2 impressions mean 2 people see it and 3 people clicked on it. It's very, very unusual and unexpected. It means that someone is doing multiple clicks on your ads, and it's a click fraud case. And usually if you see 2 impressions and you see 1 click, you are lucky that out of those 2 impressions, 1 people clicked on your ad. And it's also very rare, even if there are 3 people watching it and 1 click is clicking, that is a 33% CTR, which is also just amazing. 10% CTR is very good, but 150% CTR, that is out of the box. And being clicked by more than people watching it, that is also unusual. 100% CTR is unusual, 50% CTR is unusual. Like 20 people seeing your ad and then 10 people clicking on it, that is also unusual figure, and that comes to 50% CTR. Now you are having 150% CTR. Imagine 20 people seeing your ad and 30 people clicking it. Would you be happy with it? No, you wouldn't be happy. You're saying something is wrong, and that is a perfect case over here, that something is wrong. Something is wrong over here, and you need to be very cautious. You need to email to the Google. You need to install a click conversion tracking analytics to your website to see if there is an IP behavior, and then you can add that IP in your block list. It may be your competitors are clicking on your ad, someone is clicking on your ad, someone has accidentally clicked on your ad. That is also a possibility. But I mean, need to see the average view time and the IP history to exactly determine what's the cause, and that can tell you on it. So yeah, this answers your question. So don't be excited on your 150% CTR. That is not good, and this CTR is not good. Anything above 10-20% CTR is cautious to be noted, and you need to be take with a pinch of salt that something could be wrong on your account. So which is why it's very important to have a Google Ads professional like me and my team to have you on your board. So if you're looking for a professional help regarding Google Ads services, setup, audit, or management, me and my team can definitely help with you. All you have to do is to hire us. You can hire us through one of the link in the description, and we will love to create an awesome Google Ads campaign for you. And I hope you like this video and answers your question. So I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Take care. Thank you and bye bye.